So I'm taking my thermoquad or my Carter WCFB apart and just going to document what kind of condition I'm finding it in. If you look in there, you see there's quite a bit of sludge that I'm stirring up. Pretty dirty. And I can even see some crap down there at the jet for the power valves. And I noticed when I was taking it apart, this power valve piston was sticking, it was hanging up as well. That could have something to do with why I'm hesitating on acceleration. In any case, yeah, it's time to do the carburetor on this, give it a proper overhaul. So that's what we'll do.